What are the signs of an arrest during a police stop? Imagine you're pulled over by a police officer and wonder if you're about to be arrested. Recognizing the signs early can help you understand what's happening and what your rights are. During a police stop, officers aim to gather information or ensure safety, but sometimes that leads to an arrest. An arrest happens when the officer shows they are taking you into custody, not just questioning you. One clear sign is if the officer says, "You are under arrest," or uses words that mean you are not free to leave. They might also say, "You are being placed under arrest," which confirms the situation. Physical restraint is another sign. If the officer handcuffs you or grabs your arm firmly, that indicates you are no longer free to go. Often, officers will tell you why they are arresting you or explain the charges against you. This is part of their duty to inform you of your rights and the reason for detention. You might also notice that you are physically prevented from leaving the scene, such as being blocked or guided away. Sometimes, the officer will read you your Miranda rights. These rights include your ability to remain just silent and your right to have an attorney present during questioning. But before any of this happens, the officer must have probable cause. That means they have a reasonable belief based on facts that you committed a crime. Probable cause can be based on witnessing a crime, signs of intoxication during a traffic stop, or credible information. If the officer does not have probable cause, the stop remains investigatory, and you are not legally under arrest. From the courtroom perspective, understanding these signs is important because an arrest starts the legal process. Once you are arrested, you must be brought before a judge without delay to review whether the arrest was lawful. If the arrest was made without probable cause, evidence obtained might be challenged in court. During a police stop, it is helpful to know that if you see signs of an arrest, you have rights. You can remain just silent and request an attorney. Any searches or detentions beyond what is lawful can be challenged later. If you believe your arrest was unlawful, you can raise that issue in court through motions to exclude evidence. Recognizing the signs of an arrest during a police stop helps you understand when your liberty is being restricted and what protections you have. It's always good to stay calm and know your rights, especially when the situation escalates from a simple stop to a formal arrest.